The pandemic hitting local businesses and restaurants especially hard. The governor's office now trying to find ways to help them avoid shutting down permanently.
The state of Connecticut had $50 million to allocate through the federal CARES Act to small businesses across Connecticut. We had over 18,000 businesses apply.
Neals Donuts in Middletown opening this new location back in October, spared from closing down as they are takeout and drive-through operated, but their Wallingford location wasn't as lucky.
Our DECD and the governor decided that we would provide an additional $35 million in business grants. These will be in the amount of between $10,000 and $30,000. And the commissioner is still working on the criteria for those grants, but we want people to know that they need to get ready to apply for those.
I have a drive-through, so the drive-through helps us a lot here in Middletown. In Wallingford, it took a big hit for, 6 months or so.
Now with an uptick in cases, owner Rob Bukowski says things have slowed down.
Cases that rise, it's slowing down a little bit again, but we're trying to take all the precautions we can, and we keep people social distancing and have them wait outside and everything we can. We try to do everything we can, try to do the best.
And despite being able to remain open during the pandemic, Neals Donuts was recently forced to briefly shut down after an employee tested positive for COVID-19.
Fortunately, it didn't spread. It was just one isolated case, but since everyone here works closely together, I decided that it was best to shut down, and everyone's health is more important than money.
But overall, staff members and customers say while Neals hasn't been nearly as impacted as other local businesses, this is the help that the state desperately needs.
Of course, we're always focused on the budget, and the good news for us is that we have a record amount in our rainy day fund, so we are in a better position than most other states. Still, we need federal relief.
Well, if we don't shop local now, local is not going to be around when we're all ready to go out. I think that most of the local businesses around here, if not all, have been doing a lot of steps to keep us all safe and social distance, and make sure that we're safe when we're purchasing things. And there's really no reason not to shop local.
And as we try to continue to support our local businesses and restaurants, let us know where we should check out next. You can email us at cheer61@fox61.com. For now, live in Middletown, about to go check out some donuts myself, I'm Margot Farrell, Fox 61 News.